So dear students, we saw something about the elementary transformations in our Zoom classes. So we are going to make use of those elementary transformations by trying to reduce the given matrix to the echelon form and then finding the rank of the matrix. So let's look at a question like this. This will be a 5 marks question and this will be find the rank of a matrix by reducing it to the echelon form. So the given matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So what happens in the solution? We have this matrix A, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. I told you that in an echelon form, this number should become 0, this number should become 0. That is, below the first row, first column elements, everything should become 0. This is your second row, second column element. Below this, this should become 0. This is your third row, third column element. But then there is nothing, no elements below 5. So therefore, you don't have to worry. So now how you are going to make this number 0 and this number 0 and this 0? That is by using the row transformations. So what will happen is, since you already have seen in the Zoom classes, what I told you was, I want to write the new row R2. And you can see that there is a number 2 here. So I will multiply the row number 1 by 2R1 and I will remove that from R2. So multiply 2 to the R1, subtract it from R2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Here 2 into 2 is 4. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Here 3 into 2 is 6. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Likewise, I want to make this as 0, this number. So therefore, R3 will be. Now take this number 3 and multiply it here. So this time it is going to be 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. You don't have to do this kind of multiplication there. You have to do it mentally. But since I am explaining this to you, I am just doing it over here. So 3 into 1 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 into 2 is 6, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, 3 into 3 is 9, 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So therefore this will be R3 minus 3R1. Now what happens is, next 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So this number has to become 0. You have many ways of doing it. So what method I am going to make use of is here, that is R3, new row R3. Since this is minus 2 here, you can either take a minus 2 and multiply it to this number, or you can even multiply just a 2. So I will do it like this. R3 minus 2R2. I can't do this with R1 because R1 is not this number. This is the number I want to make it 0. So obviously I will have to make use of R2 only. I can't make use of R1. So now how I am going to make use of this? You see here, I am multiplying 2 to R2, 2 to R2, 2 to R2. So here 2 into 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Here 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, that is 0. Here 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus minus 4 is 0. Now this has reached the echelon form. So you can see that first row, first column element, below everything is 0. Second row, second column element, below everything is 0. Third row, third column element is already 0 and below that there is nothing to make 0. Now this is the last form and this is the echelon form. This has reached the echelon form. How many non-zero rows are there? See, this row is completely a 0 row. This is a non-zero row. This is also a non-zero row because there are two non-zero numbers here. So there are two non-zero rows in the echelon form. So therefore, rank of the matrix, rank is denoted by row, rank of the matrix A is equal to 2. This is the way of computing the rank of a matrix.